That surface will be a bit greasy too. I'd be watching it if I was on a motorcycle. Actually,
On the first
I
ring,
think,
the first coating on the bloody tarmac, you have to freaking
I think the
move.
bike's gone off. It has.
Yeah.
Just
Top
what did I just say? I said it'd be fucking greasy because it hasn't rained for so long. Someone's left a motorbike on the side of the road. Is he alright? I don't think he is. He's lying down.
Mm.